So hello dear friends, I welcome you on our online show Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. And some of friends are regular here and now they are my close friends. And in the afternoon, I just tried to learn some new vocabulary. And in the evening, I made a video on that. Yesterday, I also made a nice video on phrasal verbs. And very soon, many viewers saw that video. So now I have decided to continue this type of activity. Pick out some useful words and to make a video. So now your topic is ready here. So just wait a minute and your topic is ready. Now you can see. Okay, so dear friends, we all are unique. The God has created like this. We all have different brain. We all have different liking and disliking. Suppose I like bitter gourd, but my daughter doesn't like it. I like Salman Khan, but my wife doesn't like Salman Khan. So we all have different liking and disliking, but today I have picked out some words how to talk about your liking. So my first word is keen on. Keen on means interested in something and enjoyed it. I also gave so many examples in my video. I am keen on playing cricket and I'm keen on making videos also. I'm keen on sharing my videos on YouTube. And I think you all are keen on speaking English. That's why we all are here. So I think this word is over because after completing this whole thing, you have to make so many sentences, okay? Next word is captivated, attract and hold the interest and attention of. When I heard Oprah Winfrey first time, I was captivated by her speech. And you all know, my dear friends, I like public speaking very much. So in 2008 also, when I heard the speech of Barack Hussein Obama, I was also captivated by Barack Hussein Obama's speech. Next word is adore. Love and respect someone deeply. So I want to give you a same example. When I was in my high school, my class teacher wasn't attractive and handsome. So I didn't like him in the beginning, but when he started teaching, when he started carrying us, so I was really captivated by his teaching technique. Then still now I can say I adore my class teacher because I love and respect someone deeply. So I love my teacher, I respect my teacher deeply, so I can say I adore my class teacher. Fond of, to like someone or something very much. We all are Indian. We all are Indians here, and India is the country of festivals. So we are fond of celebrating different festivals. Okay, we are so lucky because each state have their own special festivals. Ratesh Poonj is from Punjab, so they have also a special. Which is your special festival, Ratesh? In your state, especially?
Sir, basically Vaisakhi.
So people of Punjab are fond of celebrating Baisakhi, easily we can say. And so many friends are from West Bengal. So these people are fond of celebrating Durga Puja. And I am from Gujarat. So actually my wife is from Rajasthan, but now she moved to Gujarat and she has been living in Gujarat for many years. That's why she is fond of celebrating Navratri.
Oh.
And last word is affectionate, means feeling of liking for person or place. I always affectionate towards my parents. So now this is your turn to make sentences, and in your email I already sent you these all words to make sentences, a paragraph also. Actually Lakshmi and Papia both are fond of making paragraph by using new vocabulary.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me kick off our session with Nageshwar because he is a teacher. So let's kick off our session with Nageshwar Rao. So Nageshwar Rao, are you ready to make some sentences by using these words?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I made one paragraph with all these five words. The students adore their teachers and imitate the teachers. So most of the students captivated by their teachers because of their way of teaching, kindness, and good personality. The primary school children keen on playing and fond of watching cartoons, but not in studies. Thank you.
Very nice, super. Okay, next I would like to invite. Okay, let me go to Anuj Delhi.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. My first sentence is I'm keen on learning French language. And the second one is captivated. When I saw your first video, you were talking one to one with on Cambly. I got captivated. So I decided to subscribe your channel. The third one is um, I adore Sachin Tendulkar because of his personality. He is very kind and very calm in his life, in his decision. When he talk with someone, that's it, sir. These three sentences I made.
Okay, so Anuj, thank you very much for subscribing my channel and following me. So now I would like to go to a new speaker who is looking very handsome. He has a nice beard and mustache. So Sachin Singh, are you ready
Yes,
to
sir.
make sentences by using this new vocabulary?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, tomorrow you were giving me a chance, but I understand. I was understand this app. I can't talk to you, sir.
Okay. Now you have a chance to speak. So make some sentences. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir. I learned by watching your YouTube video. Before 2 weeks, I am not understand this language. So, sir.
Okay, that's all. Okay, I can see one more girl, Lenovo Tape 410.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, okay. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I want to go to new speaker. She is using Lenovo Tab 410. So are you ready to make some sentences? Okay, she is not replying me now. Sujit, Kolkata. Yeah, Pankaj Ambe, I'm coming to you. I know you are looking forward to making sentences by using this new vocabulary. Because you are also fond of speaking English.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Sujit.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
I am very much keen on computer programming. And my second sentence, captivated. Captivated means to hold an attention of someone. With her beauty and charm, she captivated film audience awareness. Adore. To love someone very much. She has one son and she adored him. Fond of, mean expressing pleasure. I am fond of chocolate, Cadbury. Affection, a feeling of liking for person or place. She felt no affection for a child. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice. So Pankaj Ambe,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. So my first sentence is keen on. Uh, I always keen on about my Canadian immigration. Second one is all the kids are keen on swimming. The captivate. Next sentence is the captivate. The Dhoni captivated. He's all cricket fan for playing cricket for playing helicopter shot.
hmm.
Uh, then third one is adore. I adore my nation, and the second one is my mother always adore me, and the fourth one is found of. I have
Fond of,
found
not
of
found of.
sorry sorry
Fond of.
fond of sorry
Yeah,
fond memory of my childhood. That's it, sir.
very nice, Pankaj Ambe. You have done successfully today, okay, with a lot of confidence. Okay, so now let me go to Ratesh
Thank you, sir.
and Pankaj Udaipur. Be ready.
Okay. Good afternoon. So it's going to be a little bit lengthy.
No problem. We all are here to
Okay.
practice English, okay?
Okay. So I'm going to cover all of these in a paragraph. Like, to be perfectly honest, I have always been passionate about exploring different locations of my country from my childhood days. The reason why I adore my friends because we are always into making plans to visit far-flung corners of our country. Last year we went to Dharamshala with my friends. It was raining at that time, but the scenery was really captivated us. We went into a hotel, and I must say, the staff was very professional and affectionate to provide us coffee, and that for free of cost due to cold. After the rain stopped, we went outside to explore the place and to eat some food, which was amazing actually. And I think we got fond of it that we ordered second time. And we are now keen on going to that place again. And all in all, the trip was fabulous. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, very nice. Actually, at the end of the session, we will have a lot of sentences to talk about, liking, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Easily we can use how to use adore, captivate, then affectionate, then
Affection.
adore, fond of.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Keen on.
keen on. Yeah. So I would like to go to a new speaker, Srimant Kumar. Srimant Kumar.
Yeah.
And Pankaj Udaipur.
Hi, sir. Good evening. Hello. Can you able to hear my voice, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah,
Myself,
good.
Sriman. Yeah, I'm from Andhra. I'm new to this class. Basically, I'm trying since from 2 to 3 months to contact you,
Yeah.
but unfortunately, I got your mail ID. Yes, sir. Today's my topic is like a keen on. Keen on is nothing but interested in. Basically, Basically, I'm somewhat frightened to say this because I'm new to this class right now. I don't know why I'm unable to speak with you.
No problem, Sriman Kumar. We all are learners here, and we all are sharing our knowledge. We all
Basically,
are practicing our English here. So you are also
I
one of
also
them.
given more presentations. I'm basically right now engineering student. I have given many presentations, but I didn't get any frightened over there. But
Hmm.
right now, when I'm speaking to like this, like from 20 to 30 people who are learning the English, basically they're focusing on the single language so that they might have a knowledge.
Hmm.
Basically, because when we go on to the stage, we'll think that one doesn't have knowledge regarding this matter. If we think like that, we can speak. Otherwise, we should have to know complete knowledge regarding to the concept which we're speaking.
Hmm.
Basic. I want to say for you that it's too bad for me to say that for you, sir. I will tomorrow onwards. I will definitely try to. Sorry for that.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Okay. So again, you will get chance to speak tomorrow and join us tomorrow. I will send you ID and password.
Sure, sir. I will follow daily. I'm seeing your videos daily, sir. Because yesterday also I've been seeing your video.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sriman Kumar. Now I would like to go to Lakshmi Gora.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Um, Keen on. I am keen on listening to music because it makes my mind fresh. Next one is captivated. On my last birthday, one of my cousins gifted me a drawing which was drawn by him, and that drawing really captivated me. Adore. Um, Sir, mute all.
Okay. Let me mute all. You are only on mute. Okay. Start.
Adore. I had a school teacher um, who told me good things, uh, uh, but uh, but then uh, I was not fond of listening to him because children are not fond of listening to good advices. But now I feel that um, for his advices, I did well in my SSLC exam. So I can tell that I adore my that school teacher.
Okay.
That's
Very
all, sir.
nice, Lakshmi. Finish?
Finish, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much for making such type of good quality sentences. Now I would like to go to Pankaj Udaipur.
Uh, Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Uh, First of all, as you know that I'm very keen on to play cricket, so I'm I captivated by Rohit Sharma's playing technique, especially in cricket. He is very adorable player, and lots of games I used to play, but I fond of to play cricket, and I affectionate to cricket, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Okay. Narendra Gujarat. Then Piyush Bihar.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Good evening to everyone. Okay, I'll start with Kinon. I keen on singing songs and listening songs. I am captivated with the music and voice of Lata Mangeshkar ji, and I adore her. I adore Lata Mangeshkar ji very, very much, and I fond of listen Rahat Fateh Ali Khan very much because he is my favorite singer. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Okay. So easily all speakers complete their work. I think they are masters now. Okay. Now next one is Piyush Bihar. Then Madhu Hyderabad. Be ready.
Good evening, sir. The first sentence is keen on. I keen on playing cricket and listening soft music songs and spending time with my family. And second is captivated. I captivated with my all teachers and friends. And third is adore. I adore to uh, song of Arjit Singh. And fourth is I fond of a new mobile and new but in I fond of new mobiles on my budget. That's all, sir.
Okay. Madhu, Hyderabad.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening, sir. This
Yeah,
is my
very.
first class.
So I welcome
So,
you. Okay, I welcome you, Madhu, on our online show.
thank you so much, sir. Uh, I start with keen on. I am keen on dancing and captivated. Uh, sorry, I'm not completed captivated. And I adore my parents. And I'm captivated for public speaking. I found out for watching TV, and I affection to visit new place. That's it.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Thank you.
Next, Karan Mistry.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity. And I'm Karan from Gujarat.
Oh,
And
Gujarat.
yes, sir, from Anand district.
That's wonderful. So, Karan, welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. And I really love your speech. Like whenever you talk on, I mean, I have watched your videos on YouTube when you do one-on-one Cambly videos, and I really admire your passion about TED Talk as you discussed to someone that you wanted to be appear in TED Talk one day. I really admire it, sir, and
So, thank you very much
I
for
love
that.
it. You're welcome, sir. So I would say here some sentences on fond of. So I'm fond of table tennis because I have been playing table tennis for last 7 years. Then keen on. I'm also keen on cricket because cricket is my favorite game. Then I don't remember the other phrase.
Okay, no problem. Karan, I studied in Vallabh Vidyanagar. I spent my 2 years in Vallabh Vidyanagar. Okay.
Wow, sir.
So, where I studied
Vallabh
Sanskrit and
Vidyanagar is
violin.
very.
I did not study English in Vallabh Vidyanagar. I studied violin and Sanskrit.
That's very interesting, sir.
So, see you soon. Okay. So, now I would like to go to Arpita Jain and Nokia 5.
Sir,
Good
a lot
evening,
of
sir.
disturbance is coming from Mr. Parmeshwar AP's mic. So could you please mute it? Mr. Parmeshwar's AP. That's okay.
Okay.
Thank
But
you.
Parmeshwar audio is off.
He off now.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. So my first sentence is on keen on. I am keen on solving mathematical problem. Second one is on captivated. I become captivated by your English. Third one is adore. I adore my parents and mentors. Fond of. Fourth, I am fond of playing badminton. Affectionate. I am very affectionate towards PM Narendra Modi. That's it, sir.
Okay. So, are you from Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arpita Jain. You have just completed your 10th or HSC?
No, sir. This is my first year. I'm pursuing BTech.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now Nokia 5. I don't know your name, so sorry for that. I'm saying Nokia 5. Can you hear me? Then after that, Smita Bihar be ready. And Papia Tripura be ready. Okay, she is not, I think, who he or she, I don't know. Now Smita Bihar.
Hello, sir. Good evening, and good evening, all of you. And I want to make a sentence from first to captivated. Last Sunday, I saw a movie, Queen, and I was much captivated by Kangana's role, and she is very keen on her role. So I really adore her hardworking and sense of humor in this film. And Kangana is fond of accepting new roles in a movie as a challenge. So she is affectionate by most people.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Smita, let me tell you, I like Kangana Ranaut very much.
Sir,
Very much.
is it clear, sir?
She is my best favorite actress. Can you hear me?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I
And
hear you.
especially, I like the role,
sir,
as Datto in Tannu Vets Manu, Part 2.
Okay, sir.
Actually,
Okay,
I love,
I
love
saw her
that role
movie
of
in last Sunday.
Hmm.
Okay, I saw her movie last Sunday, so I really adore her hardworking and sense of humor in this film, and she is very known for her keen on her playing role in her movies, and she fond of accepting new movies as a challenge, and she did very well. So she is affectionate by most people nowadays.
Really?
And she is my one of most favorite actor.
Actress.
She is also my favorite actress.
Oh, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is the time of Papiya Tripura.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
So I'm going to share my about school days, memories of school days. So yes, sir. I remember when I was in the school, many of my friends have many qualities. So some of my friends has some. One of my friend has keen on playing guitar. So he was so nice was playing guitar, and my another friend was very fond of eating sweets, and I also want to share you that one day there was an annual program in my school. So our adorable teacher gave a speech about do something in life and that all. So we that day we captivated by him. We all are captivated by him, and from that day we start to adore him. And yeah, I miss those days. And yeah, this is real. No. Yeah, sir.
Okay, so you always make nice and real. You always make a non-fiction story, not fiction story. Yes, Papiya? So what type of story do you like? Fiction stories
Yes,
or
sir.
non-fiction
Yes,
stories?
sir. Try to. No,
I'm
no,
asking you.
non-fiction. I don't like non. Yeah, yes, sir. Non-fictional stories I like
Okay,
most,
okay.
and I keen on read books, novels. Yeah.
So, okay. Now next, Lakshmi, Ranjana Goswami has been waiting for a long time. Now, Ranjana, this is your turn.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
So, sir, when you give new vocabulary, so I am keen on to make new sentence, and I captivated by your thoughts and adore. Every parents adore their children and fond of. I am fond of becoming an engineer, and I am fond of Baji also. And affectionate. I am affectionate to do something new. Yes, sir, that's it.
That's it? Okay, no problem. Now, Parmeshwar AP and Surjit Mishra.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, my dear friends. Okay, sir, I'll start. I am keen on learning English language. I watched so many videos on YouTube which were uploaded by you, sir. Really, I was captivated by your way of teaching and talking. That's why I adored you, sir. Not only me, my friends are also fond of learning English language. So we all have deep affection for you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. So Parmeshwar has finished in short and sweet, but he has completed his sentences. Okay. Now Sujit Mishra.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So, my first sentence is on Kion. I am keen on watching TED Talks and YouTubers like you. Next is Captivated. The AI show made by our Indian Air Force on Rashford really captivated the audience. The third sentence is fond of. I am fond of learning English and also speaking in English. The fourth one is fond of. So fourth one, adore. So adore. PM Narendra Modi is one of the most adorable leader in the world. So that's it, sir.
Okay, okay. So now 3TX, 4FX. Hello, sir. So please, can you make some sentences by using these words? Turn on your audio, please. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Sir, this is first time interacting with you, sir.
So it's my
Sir.
pleasure to talk with you. Okay, are you from Hyderabad?
Let me introduce myself, sir.
Yeah,
I am
introduce your-
Pullarao. I live in Hyderabad. I have been practicing an advocate for the past 22 years. Basically, I came from remote village and I did the entire education in Telugu medium. Initially, I have faced a lot of problems due to lack of English. Right, I am doing very well. I am doing very well. When I saw you on YouTube, I decided I will become public speaker like you, sir. You are doing very great job, sir. In India, no one can do like you, sir.
Thank
Sir, I
you.
did some homework on phrasal verbs, sir. Keen on. I am always keen on how to become public speaker like you, sir. And captivated, sir. You were captivated by many people after watching your online classes, sir. Adore. I just adore you, sir. When I saw you in on your YouTube, sir. Fond of. I am very fond of you. You are doing very great job, sir. And affectionate. Parents are very affectionate towards their children. Passionate. Nowadays, students are very passionate to learn English, sir. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, and that's very kind of you for praising my effort. Okay, so now only who is left? Lenovo TAB410. I think one person is left. So are you ready? Please turn on your audio first, then start speaking.
Okay, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, I'm first on your channel and I like your YouTube channels and I'm very fond of it, sir.
So thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for joining us today, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. And I'm going to be in 8th standard. So I just want to improve my fluency in English. So that's why I tried talking to you in English.
So where are you from?
I'm from Kerala, sir.
Okay, you are from Kerala and you are going to come in the 8th standard or 9th standard?
8th standard, 8th standard.
Okay, because I'm a teacher of 9th and 10th standard. That's why I'm asking you. Okay, I always teach the students like you.
Okay, sir.
And I came to Kerala in 1999. In 1999, I think that time you were not born. And I stayed in Kerala for 15 days. and I completed my rock climbing and river crossing there. And I was captivated by culture of Kerala.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now carry on. Start.
Sir,
speaking.
I would like to.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I would like to be an English like you.
Okay. Good luck for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So I'm moving on to my sentences. I adore my parents as they help me in everything. I'm keen on speaking English. Children are very fond of chocolates. The singers have captivated everyone's mind. I'm affectionate to songs. That's all, sir.
Okay, your English is so nice and your pronunciation is also good, better than me, okay? Your pronunciation is better than me.
No, sir, no.
Keep doing this, okay? Keep doing it because you are only in the 8th standard and you are speaking nicely.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so
Thank
now
you so
is
much.
anybody, okay, we have 1 minute left and is anybody wants to speak? Okay, so my dear friends, some are new, so they don't know we always have 2 sessions. So after 1 minute, we have one more session and we are going to discuss on model auxiliaries. And I think that is also very interesting topic to learn and to speak. If you are not good at using model auxiliaries, then you cannot get fluency of English. So you need to learn model auxiliaries also. So in the second session, we are going to practice some useful model auxiliaries, okay? And I think you all have got the chance to make sentences by using useful words for talking about like. So let me end up this meeting and see you again in the second session, okay? So bye-bye. Let's have a commercial break now, okay? And see you in the second session.